Hello and welcome to All-in-One SEO 5.0. The TruSEO highlighter has shown you where your content needs work. You turn it on, and the spots that need attention get marked as you write. The question is, what to do about it once you're looking at it? That's where the new fixed suggestions come in. The scoring engine was rebuilt in 5.0, so the analysis understands a flagged sentence well enough to rewrite it. Click any marked spot in the optimization tab, and All-in-One SEO writes the fix for you, right where you're writing. Passive voice comes back rewritten in active voice with your meaning intact. A sentence that has run long comes back broken into shorter ones. A paragraph that has gone too far comes back tighter, or with a natural place to split it. Set up is one toggle. Open the optimization tab and switch highlight on. Then, tick which checks you want marked, each one in its own color. Click an underline spot, choose suggest a fix, and pick the version you want. If the underlines get distracting, you can switch them off for that post or across your whole site. It works across your basics and readability checks, so you can clear the whole list in one pass instead of tabbing between your draft and the analysis panel. A plumber can tighten a long service page paragraph before it goes live, and a recipe blogger can clear passive voice out of a method step. Fixes use your AI credits. The same pool is optimized with AI, so they're worth spending on posts closest to publishing. That's a true SEO highlighter in 5.0, available on every plan. Update your plugin today and learn more at allinOneSEO.com.